Hello, I've had a question in 4U Physics, Unit 3, Lesson number 5, question 72. How much work is done by a system in which the field strength is 130 newtons per coulomb, provides a force of 65 newtons through a potential difference of 450 volts? So we're looking for work. We want to know how much work or how much energy is done in this case. So we are looking for E is our unknown. What do we know? We know field strength. Our field strength is given. It's 130 newtons per coulomb. We're given a force of 65 newtons. And we know the potential difference, which is our voltage of 450 volts. So whenever I start a question like this, I kind of fall back onto bit of grade 11 physics. So I know energy or work is force times displacement. So I start taking a look and seeing what do I know and what don't I know. So I start looking at my formula sheet, and off to the side here, I know what force is. The question is, do I know displacement distance? So I don't know that, so I take that off the board. Looking at my energy formulas, so my other one is Q delta V. All right, well, I know my change in voltage. I know delta V. Okay, that was given, or potential difference. Can I find Q? And I see that I have another formula on the formula sheet where it has field strength is equal to electric force divided by the charge Q. So I can rearrange that, and I see that my field strength now goes on the bottom. So I now know that my value of Q, or the charge, is equal to force divided by field strength, which can now go into that equation. So that means that my work, or energy, is now electric force divided by field strength multiplied by potential difference. So now I have all my information. I can now do my substitution. 65 divided by 130 multiplied by 450. And once I punch that into the calculator, so 65 divided by 130 times 450, 225, and that'll be in joules. All right, so some of these questions, you got to just play around a little bit with the formulas in order to find the information you need. So it is important to look at your formula sheet and practice with the formula sheet, because those equations are the ones you have on the test. So if you have any other questions or any specific questions, let me know and I'll give you a hand.